Do you struggle with being productive and making the most of your time? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to stay focused and accomplish their goals. Luckily, there are several tips and tricks you can use to improve your productivity. In this video, we'll share some of the best techniques for mastering productivity. We'll cover everything from setting goals and prioritizing tasks to eliminating distractions and staying motivated. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to optimize your time and reach your full potential. So, if you're ready to boost your productivity and take control of your schedule, be sure to watch this video. You won't want to miss out on these valuable insights and actionable tips. Tip number 1. Make a to-do list. Write down all the tasks you need to complete. This will help you stay focused and prioritize your work. Tip number 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and then repeat. This technique helps you maintain focus and avoid burnout. Tip number 3. Minimize distractions. Keep your workspace free of unnecessary clutter and distractions, such as social media notifications. Tip number 4. Set achievable goals. Create realistic goals and break them down into smaller tasks. This way, you'll stay motivated and feel a sense of accomplishment as you complete each task. Tip number 5. Take breaks. It can be tempting to work for hours on end, but it's essential to take breaks. Stand up, stretch, and take a walk to clear your mind. In conclusion, there are many ways to increase your productivity. By making a to-do list, using the Pomodoro technique, minimizing distractions, setting achievable goals, and taking breaks, you'll be able to use your time more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips.